Alright, so this is the navicular drop test of the foot. Originally, we can have the patient start out in a prone position to find subtalar neutral. But when you go from laying to standing, it's kind of difficult to still maintain that subtalar neutral. So we're going to start out with the patient in a standing position. We're going to be testing the patient's right foot. And so I'm going to ask the patient to shift his weight to his left foot. And so I'm going to take my index finger and my thumb, and I'm going to put it where that head of the talus is. I'm going to feel so where the head of the talus is equal on both sides. You don't want the talus to be too much on one side and not the other, so make sure it's equal. So right about there. We'll then find your navicular bone, which is on the medial side of the foot right here. We'll grab a little index card. And we're just going to mark where that navicular bone is. There you go. While still maintaining your finger on that navicular bone, I'm then going to have the patient shift his weight back, which will go into a little bit of pronation. We're going to mark where that navicular bone is now. And so now we have two different marks on our piece of paper. Here's our original position, here's when the navicular dropped. So then I'm just going to take this ruler and I'll measure. Our patient is at 3.5 centimeters. If he didn't at least get to 3 centimeters for a navicular drop, then he could benefit from an orthotic being placed in his shoe.